Hello, my name is Lydia Laurie Bustler, and I live in Montpelier, Vermont, which is the capital of Vermont, a state that is in the northeast corner of the United States and right below Montreal, Canada. I am a hyper creative and full of healing energy. I've been a lifelong performer and also a composer of music. And as I said, full of healing energy. And I have overcome supposedly unsurmountable barriers and healed what seems to be the impossible. And I am here speaking to you now as a regional director of the Elite Global Leadership Club, and I'd like to welcome you. So, here in the Elite Global Leadership Club, my vision for this club here in the United States is that we'll have a vital community of accessible resources that are available to everyone to enrich our lives and be able to bring us to our most whole and and beautiful and enlivened selves. One thing that I can provide is I remove barriers and I move energy. Energy is something that I'm abundant in, but I also believe that we are all one, and this energy that flows. I have an easy way with it, and I also have a way with being able to remove barriers that people have. Um, One thing that we don't like is to be without something to replace those barriers. And so I'm good at just moving that energy around and working with people to have a comfortable balance and ebb and flow of that energy, including that energy that makes up the parts of us that hurt and need to heal, because we need to be whole human beings and whole within the part of this earth which we call our home, and whole within the communities which we call our organizations, which are our companies, our communities, which are our families, and the people with which we exchange energy. We all have our barriers that we bump up against, and we need to have ways to deal with that. So when we have the resources available to us to actually be supported and enriched, this is extremely valuable. We have some players here in the Elite Global Leadership Club that can lift you up, and then you can lift yourself up, and you can lift others up, and you can be the shining star that you were meant to be. So I invite you to jump in with your feet ready to make an incredible splash, because that is what you're going to do. I'm here to support you. I have all the tools that you need. I have the ways for you to grow them. And there are a bunch of people here who are ready to support you to dive in. So let's go. Welcome to the Elite Global Leadership Club.